Welcome back to a new video. Welcome back to a new video. My name is Martin and I will talk about frequency separation. I'm very excited today because I will launch a product. It's a frequency separation Photoshop action. That's a mouthful. So this is something I created and that I use for my retouching process when it comes to products and still life photography. And I will show you exactly how to install this action and also how to use it, of course. So this is like an instruction video. First things first, we need to install this action. And here you can see a very nice photograph from Nader. And this is his retouching. See? Very nice final shot. And I would like to thank Nader for providing this photograph for me to use in this demonstration. But first of all, we need to install the action, of course. And if you don't see Actions tab here, you go to Windows and then we go to Actions and then it will pop up. And then we hit the burger menu and load Actions. And then you find the downloaded action, the .atn file, and open. And then we have it here. And what you do is you stand on the action and you hit play, and then the action will run. But we can also be a bit fancy. We hit this button mode here, and then you just click here and then the action will run. Now we can take a look at this image. We have the raw file here, so we will shut off the nice retouching from Nader here. And now we have the raw file. Here you can see the problem on this bracelet. This is very common when it comes to watches. It's very tricky to retouch out these parts, you know. It's very, very tricky. And if you take a look at the retouching from Nader, it did a very good job, but can be fixed a bit more. You see here, there. You can see traces from the raw file there. And I think we can do better with my frequency separation action. Let's shut off the retouching, make a copy. I will stand on this copy and then we will hit the action. Set the median pixel value as low as possible. The sweet spot is between 3 and 7 pixels, depending on the texture in the image. I always start with 5 and modify if needed. Remember, you will add the same median pixel value once again, so go easy. Normally, 5 always works for me. So I hit continue and then median will pop up and you see it's starting to smooth out, 5. So hit OK. And set the same median pixel value as before, 5, OK. And there we are, all set. The texture and colors are now on 2 separate layers. You see here, here's the texture above the colors, and we will work only on this color layer. I have a color backup layer here for some reason. If you screw up and you don't want to run the whole action again, you can have this backup. We will focus on the color layer. And like I'm saying here, next you will work on the color layer to smooth out the colors beneath the texture, okay? Use the mixer brush tool. Yes, that's already set. This is the mixer brush tool. And we have the settings and everything is set. If the texture doesn't match the background color, original image, after smoothing the colors, it means that you may have missed the optimal median pixel value. In that case, delete the Botvidsson object FS action, you know, this folder, just delete it and then just run the action again and try a different pixel level. So I will hit continue. As you see, nothing happened here. This is still the raw file. But now when we are working on the color layer with this mixer brush tool, I will show you. We can zoom in 200% here and we'll go to these parts and I will, if we start here and I hit option on a Mac, sample these colors on this area, and then I just drag, sample again, drag, sample, drag. So you see, I'm smoothing out the colors under the texture. And as you see, I'm missing a bit because I want to go all the way out to the edge. So I will show you two ways to fix this. So I'm just dragging, you know, so we will have the same color. There are no spots, no smudge, no nothing, something like that. And then I add a layer mask with this icon, and then I choose color black. Then we need to have the regular brush and color black, and we then just paint on this mask, and it will disappear what we missed here, like that. And on this side too, like this. That's one way to do it, but the way I prefer to do it is to have a selection. I will select this area, and let's try that on this one. Then I hit W, the quick selection tool, and it can try to select this. So we have this selection, and then we pick the mixer brush tool again. Always work with the mixer brush, and then I sample here and drag, sample, drag. And now it will not go outside, of course, because I have the area selected. So this is how I do it. Let's go out to 100%, and then boom, done. Let's take a look at before and after. Before, after. Let's go in 200% so you will see. Before, after. And what I do, there's probably other better ways, but this is how I do it. I first use the frequency separation, median smoothing out thing, and then I just create a new layer, and then I pick the spot healing brush tool, and then I go in to fix if there is some spots I want to erase, you know. And on this side we can do a bit more. Go to the layer, go to the mixer brush tool, and then we zoom in. You see this spot here, very annoying, but then we sample and drag, and boom, it's gone, you know. This is so simple, and we don't destroy the texture. This is the whole thing, you know. Before, after. Before, after. What can I say? Fantastic, okay? So there we are. There we have the action in action. Very, very simple way to fix your product still life photos. This is what I use, and if you like to get your hands on this action, you can go to my website and buy this. You just go to botvidsson.se and then you hit the shop, botvidsson.se/shop, and here we have the action, and then you just hit buy. Finally, I would like to say this. You can find free frequency separation actions online if you search a bit. I'm focusing on what I'm doing, product and still life, what we're doing on this channel, because I know many of you are product photographers out there watching this channel. So you can buy it from me supporting this channel, but also you can find it out there. Where's my coffee? Thanks for watching and good luck with the frequency separation. And remember, as always, I will see you next
time. And next time and next time and next time and next time.